Good morning and welcome back to the Alpinian tutorial classes. Do you all remember what we did yesterday? Yesterday we did multiplication of 3-digit number, 4-digit number with single 1 digit. We learned the different terms of multiplication. They were multiplicand, multiplier and the product. Today I'll show you how we can expand that number and do the multiplication. By expanding the number and multiplication, we get the same answer as we do our simple multiplication method. Shall I start the class? See, I have written a number 212 into 8. This is a number 212 into 8. We have to multiply 212, that is a 3-digit number, with a single 1 digit. Okay, shall we start? Let me show you first this method and then we will do the expanded method. In both the ways, the answer remains the same. First, let's start multiplying with the ones place. 2 into 8 is what? 2 8s are 16. We write 6 in the ones place and we carry over 1 in the tens place. Now let's move on to the tens place. Let's multiply 1 and 8. 1 into 8 is 8. 8 plus 1, that is the carryover. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Now let's move on to the hundreds place as we have finished with the ones and the tens place. Now we will multiply 8 with the hundreds place. What do we have in the hundreds place? Digit 2. So 2 into 8 is 16. 2 8s are 16. This is the answer we obtain when we multiply a 3-digit number with a single 1 digit. Now let's move on to the expanded form. Do you all remember how we expand a number? Now let's expand 212. 212 can be expanded as 200 plus 10 plus 2. Can be expanded this way? 212 can be expanded as what? 200 plus 10 plus 2. What we get? 212. Now let us multiply first 200 into 8. Then we multiply 10 into 8. And then we multiply 2 into 8. Is it clear? These are the 3 digits that we have expanded. 200 plus 10 plus 2. Now let's multiply first 200 into 8, then 10 into 8 and then 2 into 8. Okay, now 200 into 8. Let's move on to the ones place. In ones place what we have? 0. So 0, anything multiplied by 0 is what? 0. Now let's move on to the tens place. Again we have a digit 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Now let's move on to the hundreds place. Hundreds place what we have? 2. So 2 into 8 is what? 16. Very good. So we have 16 in the hundreds place. What we got? 1600. 1600. Now let's move on to the next digit. 1010 into 8. So first we multiply what? We multiply the ones place. Ones place we have 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So 0 into 8 is 0. Now move on to the tens place. What we have? Digit 1. 1 into 8 is 8. Got it? We have finished with 10 into 8. Now let's move on to the digit 2 into 8. They are single digits. So 2 8s is 8 2s is what? 16. Is it clear? So we have obtained 1680 and 16. Now let us add these numbers. 80 plus 16. What do we get when we add? Okay, let's add 1600 plus 80 plus 16. In the ones place we have just number 6. We'll write 6. In the tens place 8 plus 1 is 9. In the hundreds place no digit is there, so we'll write 6. And in the thousand place we will write 1. See, both the answers are same. What do we get when we add? We get 1696. Got it? When you expand the number or you do not expand the number, your answer remains the same. Is it clear? This is the way how we expand a number and we do the multiplication, but we get the same answer. Whether you expand the number and multiply, or you straight away multiply the 3-digit number with a single 1 digit. The answer obtained is same. Is it clear? I hope this expanded form is clear with you. Now I have a small video for you. Just watch the video. It is a multiplication of 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. In the last class we did 3-digit number with a single 1 digit. Today I am showing you a video of a 3-digit number with 2-digit multiplication. Just watch the video and we will meet in the next class for further explanation. Thank you.
Bagels.
Multiplication. Partial product.
How do you multiply 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers? Think about this question during the lesson. Last month, a bakery sold 389 trays of bagels. How many bagels did the store sell last month? What operation should you choose to join equal groups? Multiply 389 and 12 since you are joining equal groups. What do you think the strategy will be for multiplying 389 times 12? Use partial products. Multiply the ones and regroup if necessary. 2 times 9 ones equals 18 ones, or 1 10 and 8 ones. 2 times 8 equals 16 tens. 16 tens plus 1 10 equals 17 tens. 17 tens equals 100 plus 7 tens. 2 times 3 hundreds equals 6 hundreds. 6 hundreds plus 100 equals 7 hundreds. What is the partial product? The partial product is 778. Multiply the tens and regroup if necessary. 10 times 9 ones equals 90 ones. 10 times 8 tens equals 80 tens. 10 times 3 hundreds equals 30 hundreds, or 3,000. What are the partial products? The partial products are 778 and 3,890. Add the partial products. The store sold 4,668 bagels last month. Now you know how to multiply 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers.